Hey guys, it's Ewan with the Air Zoo. The bomber jacket, in its various styles, is an aviation item firmly ingrained into popular culture. With its boxy fit, wide collar, and after World War II, availability in military surplus stores, the bomber jacket has lived a life far outside its military origins. This month's featured artifact, a World War II era B-10, is one of more than 30 flight jackets in the Air Zoo's collection. Introduced in 1943, the B-10's design broke the mold of earlier flight jackets by having a cotton shell rather than one of leather. With a collar and liner made from alpaca fur, the B-10 was less warm but also less bulky than the earlier A2 and B6 jackets. This B-10 belonged to Ballard J. Yelton Jr. of Butler, Kentucky, who served as a gunner aboard B-17 bombers. The insignia of Yelton's unit, the 95th Bombardment Group, is painted on the left breast, as are 32 mission markers on the right. The last two markers, in red, white and blue, represent Chowhound missions flown after the end of World War II, airdropping food to Dutch citizens.